I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this wig sent to me from Unice hair company, and it's a lace parting wig. So what I mean by that is you'll actually see in the video that it's not like a frontal or a closure. It's pretty close to a closure, but it has less parting space. It actually this little bit of parting space, and then the tracks are like right here, and then a little bit of lace in the front, and I actually end up plucking it a little bit to try to make it look more natural to my liking. But yeah, overall I think I did pretty good to be doing my first install on one of those wigs. So yeah, it wasn't that hard, and I actually in the video you actually see the products that I used. I didn't use much on this wig. I used the product that Even sent me, so thank you Even for sending me those products. I used the Even lace spray, so I used the red can, and it pretty much helps with melting your lace a lot faster than the black can. For me, I really love the black can, but once I used this, I felt like it was better, so I actually ended up making this my favorite. So I use the skin protector spray, and that pretty much helps from breaking out from the chemicals or whatever is in the product. So thank you Even for sending me those products. But yeah, let's get right into the install.